How to enable voice access on any Android. So first thing first, you have to go to Play Store and make sure that you have installed voice access application, and let's tap on open button. Now here, in order to turn on voice access, you need to select OK to go to accessibility settings, then enable the voice access. So let's tap on OK. This will take you to the accessibility page. You can also go through settings. Just go to settings and let's come back. Let me show you how to go to the accessibility. Open settings and here tap on additional settings and now tap on accessibility. Then this will take you to the same page. So under more you can see voice access. So you need to open the voice access and let's toggle on voice access button. And so allowing voice access to have full control of your device, or this will have full control on your device when you allow voice access. So let's tap on allow button. Now again tap on enabling shortcut button as well, and here you can see the voice access. Tap on agree button and tap on agree again, and you need to first of all allow voice access to send you notification. Let's tap on allow and tap on the done button. You can go through this voice access tutorial one by one and select this small circle and tap on continue button. So you need to allow voice access to record audio, and now you can go through this basics and tap on continue button. And you need to allow voice access to make and manage phone calls as well. Let's tap on finish button, and here you need to tap on OK. Once you have done that, you can easily enable voice access. Following this all the steps, and whenever you require the voice access, you can easily use it. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.